Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect a DVD player to your Samsung Smart TV. So let's use WikiHow on this tutorial as a guide. So first, inspect the back of your DVD player. It can have an HDMI port, a coaxial port, and an AV and video composite port. So nowadays, most of the DVD players will only have HDMI as a signal port. So if your DVD player have the old school RCA and video composite, then you can use it if your Samsung Smart TV supports it. Once you're here, make sure to ready your cables. And then on the back side or the side of your Smart TV, make sure to also inspect if it has an HDMI port, a coaxial port, or an RCA and video composite port. So if you have all of that, it really depends on you on how you'll connect it. But most of the time, or most likely, all Samsung Smart TVs have HDMI ports, and it is best to get a DVD player that has an HDMI port also. Once you do that, connect the cables and plug the power supply of your DVD and your Samsung Smart TV. Turn on your Smart TV and then select a source. Use your remote to select an input, and then once you do that, you will see the different types of inputs. Make sure to select HDMI if you're using HDMI to connect, and if you connected it using coaxial, use coaxial as an input, and if it's composite, then select composite. So that's basically it.